Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to add your PayPal account to Facebook. Linking your PayPal provides a convenient way to manage your payments directly within the platform. You can use it for various activities, like buying items on Marketplace, running advertisements, or making other in-app purchases. This integration also offers an extra layer of security and buyer protection for your transactions. To begin, open your Facebook application and ensure you are logged into your account. From the home screen, locate and tap the menu icon, which is typically represented by your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Next, scroll down the menu until you find Settings and Privacy, then tap on Settings to proceed to your account settings. Once you are in the Settings menu, look for the section labeled Meta Pay or Orders and Payments and tap on it. Within this section, you will see an option for payment methods. Tap this, then select Add Payment Method. A list of options will appear. Choose PayPal to continue with linking your account. After selecting PayPal, a pop-up window will appear, securely redirecting you to the PayPal login page. Here, you will need to enter your PayPal email address and password to sign in. Once logged in, you will be prompted to confirm the connection between your PayPal and Facebook accounts. Review the details, agree, and continue to finalize the process, making PayPal ready for your Facebook transactions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.